Tel Aviv is a captivating blend of history, wine culture, and mountain views nested in Georgia's venerable Kaukati region. As a gateway to the vineyards and ancient churches that define the area, your stay here set the tone for exploration. From boutique guest houses and wine-themed inns to modern chains with amenities, Tel Aviv's lounging offer comfort that pair beautifully with its warm hospitality and scenic allure. The first one is Hotel Kyivribi, perched with stunning view over the Kakati countryside. Hotel Kyivribi offer elegantly furnished rooms that combine local flair with modern comfort. Guests rave about the inviting outdoor pool and pleasant gardens perfect for unwinding after a day of wine tour. The property's warm staff and hearty breakfast add to a homely vibe. With panoramic views and a touch of luxury, it is a restful place for exploring the region. The second one is Hotel Nia Tel Aviv. Located just a short stroll from King Herakles II Palace, Hotel Nia Tel Aviv strikes the ideal balance between central convenience and peaceful lounging. Simple yet tastefully decorated rooms offer quiet comfort, and many travelers mention how plush and restful the beds feel. Its welcoming staff and neat chair space make it a top pick for travelers who want both ease of access and warmth during their stay. The third one is Communal Hotel Tel Aviv. This boutique hotel delights with creative design and lively social spaces. Some rooms include balconies with views of the bustling streets, while luxurious suites feature colorful tubs for indulgent relaxation. Guests often enjoy daily meals at the on-site Dolly restaurant and appreciate the thoughtful touches throughout, making it as much as an experience as a place to sleep. The fourth one is Boutique Hotel Kiviria, with a terrace and careful curated decor. Boutique Hotel Kiviria offer a serene escape near the city center. Intimate and peaceful, the guest experience is often enhanced by garden views and attentive hospitality. Whether you are sipping tea on the terrace or exploring Tel Aviv's corner streets, the hotel feels like a quiet, elevated home. The fifth one is Hestia Hotel Wine and View. True to its name, its small hotel offers striking wine countries views and a laid-back charm that appeals to wine lovers. Shared lounges provide cozy space to rest or enjoy a glass of local varieties. Guests value its affordability and personal service, perfect for those seeking clean retreat with a touch of Kivari. The next one is 17 rooms. Offering modern styling, a pool, and private parking, 17 rooms is a seamless blend of convenience and contemporary comfort. Located near major landmarks, its 17 rooms each deliver well-designed interior and efficient amenities. Guests appreciate the clean lines, peaceful setting, and well-thought-out value. The next one is Holiday Inn Tel Aviv by IHG. An upscale option in the city, Holiday Inn provides a strong set of amenities, indoor and outdoor pools, a sauna, and a gym. Spacious dining room and buffet breakfast cater well to both longer stays and business travelers. For both wanting reliable international standards in the bustling of Tel Aviv, it remains a solid pick. The next one is Lapota Lake Resort and Spa. Located just outside Tel Aviv by a serene lake, this expensive resort brings luxury amid natural beauty. With spa treatment, wine-forward dining, and elegant rooms, it offers a full-on wellness and culture retreat. From horseback riding to forest walk, Lapota is more resort-style escape than city hotel, perfect for relaxation and indulgence. The second last is King Charles Guest House. Combining artistic flair with traditional hospitality, this guest house doubles as a small museum and offer vibrant decor and generous hospitality. Shared lounge spaces feel like living room and hosts pay close attention to creating a welcoming atmosphere. It is a memorable choice for guests who value culture woven into their style. The last one is Buka's Guest House and Wine Cellar, featuring room service, a garden, and its own wine cellar. This guest house is ideal for travelers craving comfort with a local twist. Rooms are thoughtfully designed and the property include generous shared spaces. Its value, hospitality, and proximity to highlights like the giant plane tree make it a relaxed and rewarding choice in the dark. The lobby's accommodation are a delightful mix ranging from powerful boutique inns and modern chains to countryside resorts and wine integrated stays. Each hotel offers something special, whether it's a serene vineyard view, thoughtful design, or classic Georgian warmth.